Guys, and today we'll be unboxing some more Rubik's Cubes. So let's get to it. Okay, first up we have out of the box a Speed Cube. It's a Cuber Speed QW Dumo Cube stickerless. It's pyramid shaped and has a triangle in the middle of it. It's like that. I mixed it up kind of. And I fixed it. Doesn't seem that hard, but might be. Only the tips turn and the centers turn with them. And the next cube we have is a Speed Cuber Seed QV6 stickerless QV cube. It's a cube type of puzzle. I don't know. It looks pretty cool. The turning is really nice, and it reminds me of a Pokemon thing. But, yeah, this is how it turns. Just like so, and okay. And these parts turn and the centers with them. Kind of like this, but in a cube way. And next, we have the Moyu Axis Time Wheel cube. It is slightly bigger than the other cube we just had. Open the plastic wrapping. And this cube seems pretty difficult to solve. Yeah, so it turns like this, and then the middle part, this part right here, turns too. So this part and this part turns, and the center part right here. There's 3 parts to it, and I don't think it can morph. But maybe it can. Yeah, kind of. And hopefully I don't mix this up just yet. So it looks like that, kind of. And I think I screwed it up already. Maybe not. No, I fixed it. Turning feels nice. And it just generally looks cool, and the design right there. And next we have a, this is a Z cube, another bandage cube, I guess. Well, I did a video on this cube, but I don't remember if I posted it or not. But I got this exact same cube, so I don't know what that is about. Okay, let's just put this back in and put it back over here. And we have a Cuber Speed Twist 3 stickerless speed cube. That's all it says on there, age 14 and up. Ages 14 and up, and I am younger than that, so let's see. And I also have this too. Oh, well. turning feels nice. It feels a bit sandy. It's a spiral too, so let's just put that back in the box. And now we have what looks like a basketball cube. The texture on the box feels like a basketball. It's called a yeet ball. Right there. A yeet ball. So it's also, well, it's nothing like a basketball. And looks pretty hard to solve. It turns on the sides. Yeah, it only turns on the sides. It feels really smooth. And a bit sandy too. But overall it looks great, and yeah. And next we have the 2x3x3. Which is basically a 3x3, just missing a layer. It's like the floppy cube, the 2x2 floppy cube. Oh, well, except for it's harder because that happens. I don't think it's supposed to go like that. I don't think you can mix it up like that. Yeah, because it's not moving that way, so I don't know. Yeah, you can't mix it up that way. It just turns. So out of all of the ones that I'm reviewing today, I like this one the most. It just looks simple, and I like the colors, and I like the way it's shaped and how it feels. And the turning's also very, very smooth. Next up, we have a Rubik's The Void Puzzle. It has a hole in it. A 3x3 with a hole in it. So let's open this up. And we need our scissors for this one. And this apparently does nothing. Oh yeah, we're gonna rip that up. It still does nothing. Well, alright, let's just look at that. And the challenge level is pretty hard on this, so I don't know. The turning is bad. Of course, it's a Rubik's brand. Right there. Well, I don't think you got centers on this one, so that's maybe why it's harder. But it looks the same to me. This turning hurts my fingers. The turning is not smooth. I like the cube though. It's pretty cool, and looks the same as a normal 3x3, but I'm not sure yet. And that is it for today's videos, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry I don't really go in depth with the videos. I'm kind of bad at reviewing stuff, but I'll try my best. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.